Hello guys, today we are very honored to have Mr. Sandeep from India to visit our factory. So we will have a brief interview with him. Let's see what we can get. So Mr. Sandeep.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Thank you. And can you please briefly introduce your company and your main products?
Yeah. So we are a company from India. We are manufacturing home decorative parts, primarily for export to the United States and to companies like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, IKEA, and mostly these parts are tubular, and that is why we have come to your company to take some machines. This is the reason why we are here, and that's what our company does.
Thank you, and I can hear so many famous brands, the customers. So we will also want to know what is the main challenge that you are facing, which will motivate you to find these cutting machines.
So these cutting machines are new to India. Not many people have them. We have one machine supplied earlier, so the technology available in India is still not as advanced as what we have in your company over here, especially the automation in terms of how the pipe is fed into the machine and how it is cut, and the ease of programming, what you need to cut on this thing is something which I found that you are at the moment more advanced than what we have in India. The other thing is that when I came to your company, and this is the third time I've come to your company, I've seen that amongst the Chinese suppliers, your work is more organized. The way you're building the machine, the way you are testing it for us is much more advanced than what I've seen within China also, and that's the reason that we've come to SteviS.
Yeah, thank you. And we also have some other questions like, did you consider other suppliers before choosing us? And if so, what has made you to choose us?
Yeah, so I already have some machines from another supplier from China. Those machines are also very good, but unfortunately those machines in today's world is getting more expensive than what we've seen the prices which you get. Your prices are more reasonable. I won't say they are the best, but they are more reasonable, and the quality of the machine is equivalent, if not better, than the machine which I have at the moment. Also, you have done a lot of innovations in terms of new technologies. I saw that you are now using a vertical system to load your feeders, making it faster, which I thought was unique in terms of the machine itself. So I think it's basically you have a more reasonably priced machine and almost, I think, a better machine looking, but at least better looking machine, I think, than most Chinese suppliers.
Thank you. So, will you recommend our products or service to your friends?
Yeah, so once the machine is there in India, because I tell you, I'm using your machines for the first time now. As soon as they are there, and I have some confidence in the machine itself, I'm sure we'll be happy to introduce your machine to other Indian suppliers, and we are always open for you to bring any of your buyers to India, prospective buyers to India, and show us the machine. You're more than welcome.
Thank you. So thank you for accepting our interview, and we want to know, is there any else you want to share with us or any suggestion to us?
Yeah, so the one thing which I think you have already started doing and you are, I think, keenly looking into is robotics. I think robotics is one thing which is growing very fast and is the need of the hour. I see small amount of things being done over here, and I hope you can do it much faster, and involve a combination of your machines, the welding machines, the cutting machines, together to make, with the robots, to make one complete line. So let's say we have a cutting machine and transferring it by a robot to a welding machine. I think that you can give a complete pipe solution instead of giving machines by the piece. So if you can give the complete line for making a product, so that should be very nice and be very helpful for at least people in India who find it difficult to source it in India.
Thank you. So I believe our machines will help your products.
I wish, I really hope
Yes.
so.
And we also look forward to our further cooperation for the new aspect like the robot.
Yeah. I'm equally excited and hope we can come into a very good partnership. And I love the way you people have. One thing I actually missed out was all the staff over here speaks English very well. So it's a big relief for us from India to not use the Google Translate and speak to you directly. So I think it's a big relief for us. That's so I think you've chosen your people very well. So it's a nice thing for international trade.
Yes.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
Yeah, it's also our honor to give you support
Thank you.
and help you to find the suitable machines.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that's all
Bye-bye.
for the interview. Thank you.